everyone, and happy Monday. Welcome to your second week of trimester 3.1, your first full week. This week has standard everything, so you're going to have your 4 days in person if you're in person. Otherwise, you'll have your 4 days of daily assignments, and then Friday Flex Day. And Friday Flex Day will be the schedule that we have right here. So first hour, 8:30, 9:15. Second hour, 9:25, 10:10. Third hour, 10:20, 11:05. Advisory, 11:15, 11:45. So that is for Friday, Flex Day. And then we'll also have the VLA hours. So Monday today, first hour VLA students are all going to meet together. So if you are first hour science, you're going to all meet together. We're going to use this hour 1 link for that VLA class. If you are hour 2, we'll see you on Tuesday. Hour 3, I'll see you on Wednesday. And then Thursday, you're going to go to any of your classes for office hours. And I have my office hours link right here. So whatever your first hour class is, if they have their VLA hours, you're going to go to those VLA hours. And I think that's that there. But for today, go ahead, fill out the attendance question, take a look at the agenda. Yes, I watched the instruction video. And then our explanation is pretty chill today just because we are starting research. And so we're not going to do too much explanation. It's just going to be a review of Friday. So go ahead, flip through the slides, take a look at the weekly agenda. So Monday, it's going to be invention research. That's what you're doing today. Tomorrow, you're going to create a poster. And then Wednesday, you're going to present that poster. So for VLA students, your poster, if you want to do a physical poster, if you have poster paper, or even just tape pieces of paper together and markers at home, you can do that. Otherwise, we'll have it be most likely a Google Drawing or a Google Slide, some sort of poster that way. And then on Wednesday, we are going to present our posters. So in-person students will present in person. VLA students will do a video of themselves presenting. And don't worry, it's going to be like a 2-minute video. The whole point is just to practice presenting, just to practice presenting in front of your peers. And so that's Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, we're going to be talking about forces. So that's this week. The only explanation question today is to do a quick write, or to do your quick write. Take 2 minutes and write which celebrity would you like to meet and why. And please write in complete sentences, or practice writing in complete sentences if you would like. So spend 2 minutes typing in there. And I'll know if you took 2 minutes based on how much you wrote. If you wrote 1 sentence, probably did take you 2 minutes to write 1 sentence. Maybe 5 sentences in 2 minutes. And then exploration, you're going to use Friday's assignment. So this is going to bring you to Friday's assignment. The 10 inventions with the 10 inventors. You're going to pick 1 invention and inventor that you would like to research more about. You should use complete sentences and make sure to use credible sources. So credible sources, that would be if you have like a .org, a .gov, a .edu. Wikipedia is a credible source, or using Wikipedia to find credible sources. And so those would be good ones to use. And then tomorrow you'll create a poster to present this information. Wednesday you'll create a 2-minute video of you presenting the poster. And so here is the Google Doc to the work you're doing today. Hey. There we go. Awesome. So the same directions here. Also, I'm asking you to keep track of your sources on the second page. So there's questions you have to answer, but then there you go. But then on the second page, sources, you only need to include the website link or the URL that you take information from. So you don't have to do a full citation like you maybe did for your social studies project. So you just need to keep track of the websites that you go to. But the questions you are answering for the inventor, who was the inventor, what challenges did they overcome to create this invention. So it might be time, it might be money, it might be that they weren't taken seriously. So what things could have prevented them from getting this invention made? And did they invent anything else? And then, what is the invention? When was it made? What problem does this invention solve? And then conclusion, how has it changed our lives? So you could talk about you specifically, you could talk about people in general. How has the invention changed over time? Because most likely someone has tried to improve it in some way, no matter what it is. So does it look the same as it did when it was first invented? How's it changed? And then how would you change or add to this invention to make it even better? And so for all of these, we are looking for complete sentences. So even like for when was the invention made? If you just put 1946, that's not a complete sentence. So you would type, it was made in 1946. That is a complete sentence. So that's what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for complete sentences. And then, of course, again, keep track of your sources. So that is your exploration for today. It'll probably take you a decent chunk of time. And then extension, your inventions. Describe below an invention that you, where'd I go? That you wish was real. Give it a name and tell me what it does. Could be as realistic or not realistic as you want. So it could be a hoverboard. It could be a bigger phone. It could be snowshoes, but for water. Whatever you think is something that we need that you would like to have, write it down. And then if you have more than one, write down as many you can think of. So that's your extension for the day. And then just check to see that you did everything and call it good. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. Otherwise, first hour VLA students, I will see you at 1 o'clock. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.